Harolyn of the Geauxbears Diecast Workshop YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff I sent her, and here's what she did with it. I was wondering what she was going to use that arm for. This first vehicle is the Geauxbears Diecast Workshop Snatch and Grab assault vehicle. And I was hoping she'd use that arm. And this is fantastic. I like that it swings around. It does all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. The second vehicle here is the rolling pin. And I'm guessing that's because of the pins on the front sticking out. I like the engine sticking out on this. It has a cool look. It has this like tribal kind of look to it with those pins sticking on the front. And then the third vehicle that's coming up here in a second is, and I'm going to try and say this right, the Boom Shackle Lackle. And you see it has the heads on the side, the skulls. This is just too cool. Those sides pull down and there's shackles inside of it. And you can see there's chunks of flesh and there's blood in there from whatever was shackled up inside. So this is a fantastic build, Harolyn. There's the boom. So everybody, please go check out her channel. She is doing a build video that I believe is going to be out very soon, in the next day or two. And thanks for watching these videos, and support the people who do these challenges. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.